Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie if you are new here, and today I am going to be filming a little updated night routine. This is kind of my summer night routine, whatever you want to call it. So I just thought I would vlog a very typical night in my life. It is currently around 4:45 p.m. I'm about to head to the gym in my apartment building. Just put on my workout outfits. I think I mentioned in my morning routine video that I've been liking working out later in the day. A, because I'm a night showerer, so I like to work out later and then shower right after. And B, just because with everything going on right now, I am trying to go to the gym when it's the least busy. And I find that if I go at like 4 or 5 p.m., it's basically empty or there's like 1 or 2 people there. So that is what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm wearing this little workout tank that I got on Amazon. I found these on TikTok and ordered them in 3 colors. I've been wearing them non-stop. They're incredible. This was like $20 and it literally feels like Lululemon quality. It has like built-in padding so you don't have to wear a sports bra with it. They're perfect for working out. So I'll link these down below if you guys want to check them out. And then I just paired that with my Aritzia biker shorts, Adidas Ultra Boosts, bringing my little Nike gym bag, and I just have my hydro flask, a towel, my keys, and my AirPods, and gonna grab a mask and then head out.
It's been a long time and I've been thinking, give you a call to shoot the shit and fill you in, we're reminiscing. Yeah. On the dumb things we did when we were only little children. Up in the hills smoking cigarillos, waiting on a vision of what our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing. Yes, I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to anymore. Let's run it back and kick it like we used to.
Okay, fresh out of the shower, I'm wearing my little Pottery Barn robe. I only wash my hair like twice a week, so it's not a hair washing day, so I just throw it up and just did a body shower. So for my post-shower routine, I've been using this body lotion from Necessaire, just like on my legs and arms. And then, I don't know if this is weird, but when I get out of the shower, I can't just like leave my face bare. Like I need to put some sort of skincare on it. So I usually just do my full nighttime skincare routine right after I get out of the shower, even though it's only like 6 o'clock. I would rather just do it now. So you guys know my skincare routine at this point. Sometimes I'll add in an extra like exfoliating product or an oil or something, but for the most part I stick to just these 3 products. First, I use this Drunk Elephant TLC night serum. I stopped using this for a little while and my skin got like really textured and just like not as smooth as it normally is, so my skin definitely missed this, so I obviously had to start using it again. So I just take a pump of this and put it all over. For moisturizer, I just use the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. And lastly, also from First Aid Beauty, I just use their Retinol Eye Cream. Also just putting on some Laneige lip mask. 6 p.m. and my skin is already ready for bed. Just changed into my PJs for the night. I'm wearing this little t-shirt from Brandy Melville and then these little gray shorts from Princess Polly. Oh, I guess I can show you guys my new rug. I literally just got this today. If you guys remember what my rug looked like before this, it was the same size, but it was just this like off-white kind of braided textured rug. I loved the way that rug looked, but it was very annoying to say the least. It shed so bad and I got like this little white fuzz literally all over my apartment, all over my dark clothes when I would touch the rug, and I was just constantly vacuuming it and it still would just shed everywhere and it was super annoying. And also just because it was like textured, it would get dirty really easily and like things would get kind of caught in it. Overall, it was just very hard to keep clean. So I decided to get a new rug that would be more of like a flat rug that wouldn't shed and would be easier to clean. So I got this rug. It's an 8 by 10. I got it from All Modern and I really like it. It definitely like darkens up the vibe in here because my old rug was just all like off-white. It's just a different vibe. I don't really love it with like the blankets that I have on my couch right now, but I honestly just kind of put those there because Kitty likes to sleep in those spots, and then that way she's getting her fur on the blankets and not the couch. So yeah, random update, but that's my new rug. I'll link it down below if you guys want to know the exact one. It is now time to feed Kitty. I give her wet food in the morning as like her breakfast, but I find that if I give her too much wet food throughout the day, she will get sick and it hurts her stomach. So I do wet food in the morning and then dry food at night for dinner. You ready for dinner? Just give her scoop of this. Come on. Okay, now I am going to get started cooking dinner for myself. So tonight I'm making this dinner that I make for myself all the time, honestly, because it's so easy. It's basically just like a chicken and veggie stir fry with rice. I think I've shown it in vlogs before, but it's honestly just really quick and easy and healthy. So basically I'm just gonna take some of this chicken and slice it up into little pieces, cook it on the stove, and then I'm also going to use basically whatever vegetables I have on hand. Tonight I'm cutting up this red bell pepper, some onion, mushrooms, and some zucchini, and also garlic. And I just saute those in a pan. I use this organic coconut aminos sauce from Trader Joe's. It's kind of like an alternative to soy sauce. And I mix this with honey and use that as like a sauce, and it's so good. And then I also just microwave one of these brown rice packs from Trader Joe's and serve it with that. And it's a very well-rounded, healthy meal and super easy, so I'm gonna make that now. Instead of the rice, I'm actually gonna use this couscous, which is also from Trader Joe's. Also super easy to make, but I just decided I was in the mood for this rather than rice. Dinner is served. This looks so incredible. I'm so excited to eat this. Watching some YouTube while I eat my dinner. Kitchen is nice and clean. I have my dishes drying. I'm not gonna lie and say that I clean the kitchen right after dinner every single night. There are definitely nights where I get lazy after dinner and just wait till the next morning to like clean and do all the dishes. But I try my best to clean right after dinner because it definitely makes me feel so much better when I wake up to a clean kitchen. It's wine time. Opening a bottle of wine. Obviously, I don't have wine every night either. I usually either have a glass of wine or I'll do like tea or iced tea. I have been really into these Trader Joe's sparkling black tea with peach juice. These are super good, very refreshing. So if I'm not having wine, I'll usually have one of these, or I'll make hot tea. I usually get really into hot tea at night in like the fall / winter because I like a good chai tea or like a cinnamon spiced kind of tea. So I'm sure once the weather cools down, I will be very into my hot tea before bed. But for tonight, we will have a glass of this Tesoro della Regina Pinot Grigio. I probably said that so wrong. I started watching The Sopranos. I'm only on episode 9, so I still don't really know how I feel about it yet. I'm definitely gonna keep watching it. I've heard it's an amazing show, but I'm like not far in yet to know if I like it or not. So I'm gonna watch an episode or 2 of this. It is Kitty playtime. Every single day at like 7 or 8 p.m. Kitty gets in crazy mode and she starts doing zoomies all over the apartment and just wanting to play. So I get out her string toy and we play until she's worn out, so that once it's time for me to go to bed, it is also time for her to go to bed. That way she sleeps through the night and doesn't wake me up at like 4 in the morning being crazy. You want to show your jumps and your flips? Kitty's gonna show you her jumps. It is almost time for me to wrap this video up and head to bed. I just turned on my little mini humidifier. I got this pretty recently. It's from the brand Hey Dewy. It's like the cutest little thing ever. Humidifiers are really good for your skin and just keeping it really hydrated and glowy, and it's also really good for your breathing and helping like clear out your sinuses. So I like to have this on at night. Spraying my pillows with this lavender sleep spray. I got this from HomeGoods, I believe. I'm usually in bed by like 10 p.m, sometimes earlier. I know I'm like such a loser, but I've never been a late night person, so that's just kind of my routine. So I'm going to head to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below what videos you guys want to see from me, and I will see you very soon with another new video. Bye.